after welding. Now it's time to prepare it for paint. It's time to remove some paint, that old paint that has left, and a little bit corrosion. And clean all of the dots that are still stuck to the frame after welding. After cleaning it with wire, the next step is this. So I'm using this disc. And this will give me a little bit more smoother surface. And after that, the painting will begin. The frame is prepared for painting. I will use this nitro thinner to clean the frame, but before that I noticed this small hole here, so I need to weld this hole, and that's it. After that it's paint time. For primal paint I'm using this. Usually this color is used for aluminium, copper and similar, but you can also use it on steel, and it is a very good paint. Also, after painting with this paint, it is, at least for me, much easier to see small dents, cracks and all of deformation on the steel. So this is another reason why I'm using this paint. And also this paint is quite liquid, so it will easily enter into these small holes where the parts are connected. So this is not welded. From this side it has a small gap, and this paint will easily enter. It is time for the next step with the paint job. I have already put putty and used sandpaper. There are some bigger holes, so I used putty. And after sandpaper it is time for the filler. So I'm using this one, a 2 compound filler. So the frame is ready for painting, for the final paint. So this is the type of the black that I'm using. It is a 9005. It is 2 compound paint. So this is the hardener. And that's it.